For small creatures such as we, the vastness is bearable only through love. Carl Sagan. What is the Big Bang and how did it all begin? Imagine a universe that contains everything, billions of galaxies, stars, planets, and even us. But there was a moment when none of this existed. No light, no matter, no space, and not even time. Everything we know was compressed into a single point of incredible density and temperature, a state we call a singularity. And then it happened, the Big Bang. Not an explosion in the usual sense, like a bomb or a burst of fire in the sky, but a rapid expansion of space itself. A moment that marked the beginning of everything. Space began to unfold, time began to flow, and from this primordial energy, the first particles of matter emerged. In the first fractions of a second after the Big Bang, something truly extraordinary occurred. Energy transformed into particles, such as quarks and gluons, which later became the building blocks of atoms. The universe expanded and cooled at a staggering rate. Within minutes, the nuclei of light elements like hydrogen and helium began to form, elements that would later fuel the stars. Hundreds of millions of years passed before the first stars ignited in the cold, dark cosmos. These stars became the forges where heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron were created. When these stars ended their lives in spectacular supernova explosions, they scattered these elements across the cosmos, forming the raw materials for everything we know, planets, oceans, and even ourselves. The Big Bang is not just the beginning of the universe, it is the birth of possibility itself, the origin of everything. We are stardust, forged in the furnaces of ancient stars, brought together to form a consciousness that seeks to understand its origins. In every atom of our being lies the trace of this cosmic dawn. So, what is the Big Bang? It is not the end of something old but the beginning of something new, an indescribably beautiful, boundless journey of the universe through time and space. The Big Bang is a story of transformation, a tale of how chaos gave rise to order, and how from simplicity emerged the boundless complexity of the cosmos. In the aftermath of that explosive expansion, the universe was a sea of particles, chaotic and turbulent. But nature, through its fundamental laws, began to weave these particles into intricate patterns. Gravity played a leading role, pulling together clouds of hydrogen and helium, the lightest and most abundant elements formed in the early universe. Over time, these clouds condensed, growing denser and hotter until nuclear fusion ignited within their cores, giving birth to the first stars. These stars became the cosmic beacons, illuminating the darkness and marking the beginning of structure in the universe. As stars lived and died, their remnants enriched the cosmos with heavier elements, creating the raw ingredients for planets, moons, and eventually, life itself. Galaxies formed, vast cities of stars bound together by gravity. Some collided and merged, shaping the universe into the magnificent tapestry we observe today. But the Big Bang story does not end with stars and galaxies. It is also the story of us. The atoms in your body were forged in the hearts of ancient stars, billions of years ago. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, and the oxygen you breathe were all created in stellar furnaces and scattered across the cosmos by titanic explosions. In a way, we are the universe looking back at itself, a part of the cosmos that has become self-aware. Our quest to understand the Big Bang is not just about uncovering the origins of the universe, it is about uncovering the origins of ourselves. It is a reminder of our profound connection to the cosmos, a realization that we are not separate from it, but an integral part of its grand story. And so, the Big Bang is more than an event in the distant past. It is the beginning of a journey that continues to this day, a journey that we, as curious and conscious beings, have the privilege to explore. The universe is still expanding, its destiny unwritten, inviting us to ponder the greatest questions of all: where are we going? What is our role in this vast cosmic dance? And how can we, tiny specks of stardust, honor the incredible gift of existence in this unfolding universe? As we look deeper into the cosmos, we realize that the story of the Big Bang is not just about what happened billions of years ago. It is about a process that continues to shape the universe around us, even now. The galaxies we see are not static, they drift apart, carried by the expansion of space itself. This cosmic expansion, first set into motion by the Big Bang, is like a silent symphony, playing out across the eons. But there's more to the story. Scientists have discovered that the universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating. Something mysterious, something we call dark energy, is driving this expansion faster and faster. Dark energy, though invisible and poorly understood, makes up the majority of the universe. It's as if the cosmos has a hidden architect, one whose plans we have only begun to glimpse. And then there's dark matter, an equally enigmatic substance that surrounds galaxies and holds them together, acting like an invisible glue. Without dark matter, the galaxies and stars we see wouldn't exist as they do. It's another reminder that much of the universe is beyond what we can see or even fully comprehend. Despite all our progress in understanding the Big Bang, many questions remain. What caused the singularity to expand in the first place? Was there something before the Big Bang, or does the concept of before lose meaning in the absence of time? Could our universe be just one of many, part of a multiverse beyond our imagination? These mysteries remind us how much there is still to discover. Yet, as vast and unknowable as the universe may seem, the story of the Big Bang teaches us something profoundly human, that we are connected to it all. From the smallest particles to the grandest galaxies, we share a common origin. The elements that formed in the wake of the Big Bang were carried by stars, scattered by supernovae, and woven into the very fabric of life. The light from distant galaxies takes billions of years to reach us, allowing us to look back in time and witness the echoes of the universe's birth. In the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, we see the imprint of a young universe, only a fraction of a second old. These ancient photons are like whispers from a time when the cosmos was just beginning to take shape. As we stand here, on a small planet orbiting an ordinary star in one of billions of galaxies, we are reminded of the fragility and wonder of our existence. The story of the Big Bang is not just the story of the universe, it's the story of how something as extraordinary as us could emerge from the primordial chaos. And so, the journey continues. With every telescope we build, every theory we test, and every question we ask, we take another step toward understanding not just the universe, but our place within it. The Big Bang is more than a scientific concept, it is a testament to the power of curiosity, imagination, and the human spirit to reach beyond itself, seeking to uncover the infinite mysteries of the cosmos. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, the narrative of the Big Bang evolves from a simple origin story into a profound exploration of existence itself. Every discovery, every piece of evidence adds a new chapter to this tale, connecting the vastness of the universe to the intimacy of our own lives. Consider the timeline of the cosmos. In its earliest moments, the universe was a searing plasma, a soup of particles too chaotic to form structures. But as it expanded and cooled, patterns emerged. Atoms formed, light could travel freely, and the universe began to reveal its beauty. This process, spanning billions of years, reminds us that creation is not instantaneous, it is a gradual unfolding, a cosmic evolution. The stars that lit the early universe didn't just shine, they forged the elements necessary for life. Over time, these elements combined in the hearts of galaxies, forming solar systems like our own. Planets emerged, some with conditions perfect for life, like Earth. Here, amidst oceans and skies, chemistry transformed into biology, and biology into consciousness. We, as living beings, are not separate from this grand story. The hydrogen in our bodies dates back to the Big Bang itself. The carbon in our cells, the calcium in our bones, the iron in our blood, all were forged in ancient stars. When we gaze at the night sky, we are not merely observers, we are participants in the universe's ongoing journey. Yet, our understanding of the Big Bang is far from complete. The deeper we look, the more questions we encounter. Could the Big Bang have been just one cycle in an eternal sequence of expansions and contractions? Is our universe one among countless others in a vast multiverse? And what role do we, as conscious beings, play in this cosmic drama? These questions are not just scientific, they are deeply philosophical. They invite us to reflect on the nature of reality, the meaning of existence, and our responsibility as stewards of this tiny world we call home. In seeking answers, we are not only exploring the cosmos but also ourselves. Every step forward in our understanding of the Big Bang, from mapping the cosmic microwave background to detecting ripples in spacetime, brings us closer to comprehending the forces that shape everything we know. It's a journey fueled by wonder, humility, and an unquenchable desire to learn. And so, as we continue to probe the mysteries of the Big Bang, let us remember this: the universe is not just out there, in the distant galaxies or ancient starlight. It is within us, in every breath, every heartbeat, every thought. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself, a brief, brilliant flash of awareness in an endless sea of time and space. The Big Bang is not just how the universe began, it is how we began. It is a story still being written, and we are its living chapter, a testament to the infinite possibilities born from that single, radiant moment of creation. As we ponder the implications of the Big Bang, we find ourselves at a crossroads of science, philosophy, and wonder. The story of our universe's origin is not merely a tale of particles and energy but a testament to the profound interconnectedness of all things. It invites us to think not only about where we came from but also about where we are going and what our role in the cosmos might be. The universe, born from a moment of unimaginable density in energy, has been expanding for over 13.8 billion years. This expansion is not merely a stretching of space but an ongoing transformation. Stars are born, live, and die. Galaxies collide and reshape. Even now, as we sit here contemplating these ideas, the universe continues to evolve, its boundaries extending further into the unknown. But this expansion raises one of the most profound questions: what is the ultimate fate of the universe? Will it continue to expand forever, growing colder and darker as galaxies drift apart into isolation? Or will it one day reverse, collapsing back into a singularity in a dramatic event some call the Big Crunch? Perhaps something even stranger awaits us, a cycle of rebirth, where the end of one universe seeds the beginning of another. These are not just scientific speculations, they touch on something deeply existential. If the universe has a beginning and an end, what does that mean for us, beings who occupy a fleeting moment in its vast timeline? Does the brevity of our existence diminish its significance, or does it make it all the more precious? The Big Bang also reminds us of the importance of perspective. On the scale of the universe, we are small, tiny fragments of stardust on a pale blue dot orbiting an ordinary star. Yet, it is precisely this perspective that gives our lives meaning. We are the universe made conscious, capable of reflecting on its origins, marveling at its beauty, and striving to uncover its secrets. And this consciousness, this ability to question and explore, is perhaps the universe's most remarkable creation. Through us, the cosmos has given itself a voice. Our art, our science, our dreams, they are the echoes of a universe trying to understand itself. Every discovery we make, every truth we uncover, is not just about the cosmos but about our place within it. As we continue to study the Big Bang, building ever more sophisticated instruments to peer into the depths of space and time, we are not just learning about the past. We are shaping our future. The knowledge we gain today will guide the generations to come, helping them navigate the challenges of existence and inspiring them to seek answers to questions we cannot yet imagine. In the end, the story of the Big Bang is a story of hope. It tells us that from the simplest beginnings, extraordinary complexity can arise. It shows us that even in the vast emptiness of space, there is creativity, beauty, and purpose. And it reminds us that, despite the vastness of the universe, we are not insignificant, we are part of its grand design, woven into its fabric, as essential to its story as the stars themselves. The journey that began with the Big Bang continues, and we are its travelers. With every step, every question, and every discovery, we move closer to understanding not just how the universe began, but what it means to exist within it. This is the gift of the cosmos, a journey without end, full of wonder and possibility, inviting us to explore, to dream, and to marvel at the infinite. And so, as we gaze into the depths of the cosmos, the Big Bang becomes more than an origin story, it becomes a reflection of our own journey. From chaos to order, from simplicity to complexity, from stardust to consciousness. It is a reminder that our existence is not an accident, but a continuation of the universe's natural tendency toward growth, connection, and creation. The echoes of the Big Bang still surround us. The cosmic microwave background, the faint glow of the universe's infancy, whispers to us across billions of years. Every time we look at a distant galaxy, we are peering back in time, witnessing a snapshot of the universe as it was long before our world existed. The universe tells its story not through words, but through light, gravity, and the endless dance of matter and energy. But the story of the Big Bang does not belong only to the stars and galaxies. It belongs to us as well. It is the story of how the atoms in our bodies were forged in the fiery hearts of stars, how the elements that make up our world were scattered across the cosmos, and how life emerged as a natural extension of the universe's evolution. We, as human beings, carry the legacy of the Big Bang in every cell of our bodies. We are the culmination of 13.8 billion years of cosmic history, momentary but meaningful expression of the universe's creative power. And in our curiosity, our drive to understand, we honor that legacy. The quest to understand the Big Bang is also a quest to understand ourselves. Where did we come from? What is our place in the cosmos? And where are we going? These questions have driven humanity's greatest thinkers, scientists, and dreamers for generations, and they continue to inspire us to push the boundaries of knowledge. As we move forward, we stand at the edge of discovery. New telescopes, more sensitive than ever before, are allowing us to see deeper into the universe's past. Advanced theories are reshaping our understanding of time, space, and the nature of reality itself. And every breakthrough brings us closer to the answers we seek, while opening new doors to questions we never thought to ask. But perhaps the greatest gift of the Big Bang is the perspective it offers. It reminds us that, despite the challenges and divisions we face here on Earth, we are all part of something much larger. We share the same cosmic heritage, the same stardust origins, the same universe. In the grand scale of existence, our differences fade away, and what remains is our shared humanity and our shared connection to the cosmos. The Big Bang is a beginning, not just for the universe, but for our understanding of it. It is a story that invites us to dream, to explore, and to marvel at the infinite possibilities of existence. And as we continue to uncover its secrets, we are reminded that, no matter how vast the cosmos may seem, we are an inseparable part of its story, a story that began with a moment of extraordinary brilliance and continues to unfold with every passing second. The universe is still expanding, and so is our understanding. The journey of the cosmos is our journey, and its future is, in many ways, intertwined with ours. Together, as explorers of the stars and stewards of our planet, we carry the light of the Big Bang forward, into the unknown, as we seek not only to understand the universe, but to find our place within it. As the universe continues its expansion, we are left to marvel at its boundless potential. The Big Bang was not just the genesis of galaxies and stars, it was the spark that set in motion a chain of events leading to the rise of complexity, consciousness, and wonder. It is a story that transcends science, touching the very essence of what it means to exist. Every moment of exploration, whether through telescopes scanning the heavens or equations scribbled on a chalkboard, brings us closer to grasping the enormity of the cosmos. Yet, the deeper we probe, the more we come to understand that the universe is not just out there. It is also within us. Each thought, each emotion, each breath is a microcosm of the vast forces that began their journey at the Big Bang. The universe's story is also a story of balance. For every force of creation, there is one of destruction. Stars are born and die, galaxies collide and reform. Even black holes, often seen as cosmic voids, play a crucial role in shaping the structure of the universe. This interplay of creation and destruction mirrors the cycles we observe in our own lives, endings that give way to new beginnings. One of the most extraordinary aspects of the Big Bang is its capacity to inspire. For millennia, humans have looked up at the stars, crafting myths and seeking meaning in their light. Today, armed with knowledge and technology, we continue that journey, not just as individuals, but as a collective species. Each discovery adds a brushstroke to the canvas of cosmic understanding, enriching not only our scientific perspective but also our sense of purpose. The universe, born in a flash of energy, has evolved into something infinitely intricate. Within its vast expanse, it has given rise to galaxies filled with billions of stars, each potentially hosting its own story of creation. Somewhere, perhaps in a distant corner of the cosmos, other beings may be looking up at their skies, wondering about their origins, asking the same questions: who are we? Where did we come from? Are we alone? These questions connect us, not just to the cosmos, but to one another. The Big Bang reminds us that, no matter how different our cultures, languages, or beliefs, we share a common origin. We are bound by the same cosmic story, written in the stars and carried in the atoms of our bodies. As we stand on the threshold of new discoveries, the Big Bang invites us to dream even bigger. What lies beyond the observable universe? Could there be other dimensions, other forms of life, other stories as rich and complex as our own? The answers may take generations to uncover, but the pursuit itself is part of what makes us human. And so, the story of the Big Bang continues, written not in ink but in light, gravity, and the fundamental forces of nature. It is a story without an end, one that calls us to explore, to question, and to celebrate the wonder of existence. The universe is vast, its mysteries infinite, yet within it lies a profound truth, that we are a part of something extraordinary, a cosmos that began in a single moment of creation and continues to evolve, with us as an integral piece of its ever-unfolding narrative. We are the result of the Big Bang, its conscious observers, and its storytellers. And as we journey forward, let us remember that our exploration of the universe is not just about understanding where we came from, but about embracing the infinite possibilities of what we can become. The infinite possibilities of the universe mirror the boundless potential within ourselves. The story of the Big Bang, from its first brilliant moment to the vast cosmos we see today, is a testament to the power of transformation. What began as a singular point, a seed of unimaginable energy, has unfolded into a universe teeming with complexity, beauty, and life. And yet, the Big Bang is not just a story of the distant past. Its echoes resonate in every corner of existence. The cosmic microwave background, that faint afterglow of creation, is a silent reminder that we are connected to the universe's very first moments. The atoms that form our bodies are direct descendants of processes that began billions of years ago, crafted in the furnaces of stars and scattered across the cosmos. This realization brings a profound sense of unity. It bridges the gap between the incomprehensible vastness of the universe and the intimate immediacy of our lives. In the grand scale of time and space, we are small, brief sparks in an eternal cosmos. Yet, in our ability to think, to question, and to create, we embody the very essence of the universe's curiosity about itself. The Big Bang also reminds us that beginnings are not always tidy. The universe emerged not in perfect order, but in chaos, expanding and cooling, shaping itself over billions of years into the intricate patterns we now observe. This is a powerful metaphor for our own journeys. Out of uncertainty, challenges, and even destruction, new growth emerges. Creation and transformation are written into the very fabric of existence. As we explore the universe, we are also exploring the boundaries of human potential. The telescopes we build, the equations we solve, and the questions we ask are all expressions of a deeper drive, a need to understand, to connect, and to find meaning. Each discovery, whether it reveals an exoplanet orbiting a distant star or uncovers the nature of dark matter, brings us closer to understanding our place in this vast cosmic web. But there is more to this journey than just knowledge. The story of the Big Bang inspires a sense of wonder, humility, and responsibility. It reminds us that we are part of a larger whole, a universe that has existed for billions of years and will continue to evolve long after we are gone. Our actions, however small they may seem, are part of this grand cosmic narrative. How we care for our planet, how we treat one another, and how we nurture curiosity and creativity all shape the legacy we leave behind. The Big Bang also hints at something profoundly hopeful, that from the simplest beginnings, extraordinary things can arise. The same forces that gave birth to stars and galaxies also gave rise to life, consciousness, and the ability to reflect on it all. This is the miracle of existence, a universe capable of contemplating itself, through us. And so, as we look ahead, let us carry the lessons of the Big Bang with us. Let us embrace the unknown, for it is the source of discovery. Let us celebrate our connection to the cosmos, for it unites us with everything that has ever been and ever will be. And let us honor the gift of existence by continuing to explore, to dream, and to seek meaning in the infinite expanse of the universe. The Big Bang was the first note in a symphony that has played for billions of years. We are part of its melody, a fleeting but vital harmony in the music of the cosmos. And as the universe continues to expand, so too does our understanding, our imagination, and our capacity to marvel at the wonder of it all. The story is not over, it is still being written, and we are both its witnesses and its co-authors, shaping the future with every question, every discovery, and every act of curiosity and hope. The universe, born in an instant of unimaginable energy, continues to unfold like a vast and intricate tapestry. Each moment adds new threads to the story, threads that connect galaxies to stars, stars to planets, and planets to life. The Big Bang was the spark that ignited this grand cosmic narrative, and its echoes remind us that we are not separate from the universe but deeply woven into its fabric. Even as we marvel at the distant past, we are also part of the universe's ongoing evolution. The atoms in our bodies, forged in stars, now come together in us, beings capable of asking profound questions, of seeking meaning, and of imagining futures. We are a unique phenomenon, stardust that has awakened, reflecting on its origins and dreaming about what lies ahead. But the Big Bang does more than explain the birth of the universe, it offers us a perspective on change and growth. The universe began in chaos, a seething ocean of energy and matter, yet from that chaos emerged structure, order, and beauty. This reminds us that change, even when turbulent, is a natural and essential part of creation. In our own lives, moments of uncertainty and transformation are often the seeds of new beginnings. As we explore the cosmos, we find ourselves standing on the edge of profound discoveries. What lies beyond the observable universe? What is the nature of the dark energy driving its expansion? Could there be other dimensions, other universes, or other forms of life? These mysteries challenge us, but they also inspire us to push the boundaries of our knowledge. The Big Bang also teaches us humility. It reminds us that, in the vast expanse of time and space, our existence is brief, a fleeting moment in a cosmic journey that spans billions of years. Yet, within this moment, we possess the power to wonder, to create, and to connect. Our capacity to seek understanding is one of the universe's most extraordinary creations. And with this understanding comes responsibility. We are caretakers of a planet that, against all odds, supports life. We are part of a fragile web of existence, shaped by the same forces that created the stars. The story of the Big Bang calls us to honor this connection by caring for our world and for one another, recognizing that our actions ripple outward, just as the universe itself rippled from its first moments. The journey of the universe is far from over. As we look to the future, we are reminded that the cosmos is still expanding, its story still unfolding. In this ongoing creation, there is space for new discoveries, new ideas, and new dreams. The universe, vast and mysterious, invites us to continue exploring, to continue asking, and to continue imagining. The Big Bang was not the end of a question but the beginning of countless possibilities. Its legacy is written in the stars, in the molecules of our bodies, and in the boundless curiosity that drives us to seek understanding. As we carry this story forward, let us do so with wonder, with courage, and with the knowledge that, no matter how vast the universe may seem, we are an inseparable part of its extraordinary journey. The universe began with a burst of energy, and it continues to grow, to evolve, and to inspire. We are the witnesses of its grandeur, the storytellers of its history, and the explorers of its future. The Big Bang is not just how everything began, it is a reminder that from a single moment, infinite wonders can arise. And in that truth lies the essence of who we are, a part of the cosmos, forever reaching toward the stars. As we continue reaching toward the stars, the story of the Big Bang becomes not just a cosmic origin tale, but a mirror reflecting our aspirations, questions, and hopes. It reminds us that the universe is both vast and intimate, both timeless and fleeting, both mysterious and knowable. Each discovery we make is like a small flame, illuminating a corner of the great unknown, and together, these lights form a constellation of human understanding. The Big Bang was the universe's first act of creation, but creation did not stop there. Every star that forms, every galaxy that swirls, and every new world that emerges carries forward the legacy of that singular moment. Life itself is a continuation of this creative process, a phenomenon born from the universe's inherent drive to evolve, to grow, to transform. What makes our place in this story so remarkable is that we are not just passive observers. We are active participants. Our curiosity compels us to look deeper, to ask more profound questions, and to seek connections between the infinite and the personal. Through science, we decode the language of the cosmos. Through art, we express its beauty. And through collaboration, we weave our individual contributions into the collective human journey. As we stand at the edge of the known, looking into the unknown, we carry with us tools that previous generations could only dream of. Telescopes that peer into the farthest reaches of space. Instruments sensitive enough to detect ripples in spacetime itself. Algorithms that analyze the faintest signals from distant stars. Each breakthrough brings us closer to understanding not just how the universe began, but how it continues to shape us. Yet, even as we uncover more, the mysteries deepen. What caused the Big Bang? Was it the first of its kind, or one moment in an endless cycle of cosmic rebirth? What is the true nature of dark energy and dark matter, the invisible forces that dominate the universe? And if the cosmos is infinite, what lies beyond the limits of our comprehension? These questions remind us that the universe is not just a puzzle to be solved, but a source of endless wonder. Its immensity humbles us, but it also inspires us. For within this vastness, the story of the Big Bang reveals something extraordinary, that even from the simplest beginnings, complexity, meaning, and life can arise. This is the promise of the cosmos, a testament to the power of creation, connection, and possibility. As we continue to explore, we must also reflect. What does it mean to exist within a universe that began with the Big Bang? How can we honor the gift of consciousness, the ability to wonder and to dream? And what legacy will we leave for those who come after us, as they inherit this shared journey through time and space? The Big Bang is not just the origin of matter and energy, it is the origin of every story, every thought, and every moment we share. It is the seed from which galaxies bloom, the spark that ignites stars, and the foundation of all that we are. Its echoes surround us, not only in the light of distant galaxies but in the connections we form, the ideas we pursue, and the hope we carry. As the universe expands, so too does our understanding, our creativity, and our capacity for awe. We are part of an unfolding masterpiece, written in the stars and painted across the canvas of time. And though our chapter in this story may be brief, it is profound, a reminder that even the smallest voices can contribute to the symphony of existence. The Big Bang is both a beginning and a promise. It whispers of infinite possibilities, urging us to explore, to learn, and to create. It invites us to see ourselves not as isolated beings, but as threads in a vast and interconnected cosmic tapestry. And as we journey onward, let us carry its message with us, that from one luminous moment of creation, entire universes of wonder can emerge. This message of the Big Bang, that from simplicity comes unimaginable complexity, offers profound lessons for how we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It reminds us that we are connected to everything that has ever existed and everything that ever will. Every atom in our bodies, every thought we think, every action we take is a continuation of the universe's journey that began nearly 14 billion years ago. But the story of the Big Bang is not merely a scientific narrative, it is a call to reflection and responsibility. If we are the universe made conscious, then we carry a unique duty, to protect and nurture the fragile corner of the cosmos that we call home. The Earth, a speck of dust in the vastness of space, is nevertheless a treasure, a cradle of life that holds within it the potential for discovery, connection, and meaning. Our understanding of the Big Bang also challenges us to think about the future. What role will humanity play in the unfolding story of the cosmos? Will we remain confined to our tiny world, or will we become explorers of the stars, carrying the knowledge of our origins to distant worlds? The universe is vast, but it is also full of opportunities to learn, to grow, and to create something enduring. The cosmos, in its boundless scale, can sometimes feel overwhelming. Its distances are measured in light years, its timelines stretch across billions of years, and its mysteries often seem beyond comprehension. But this vastness is not a barrier, it is an invitation. It reminds us that even though our lives are brief, they are significant. The act of wondering, of seeking to understand, ties us to the greater story of existence. Through the lens of the Big Bang, we see that creation is not a singular event but an ongoing process. Stars continue to form, galaxies evolve, and the universe itself is a dynamic, ever-changing entity. Within this cosmic symphony, life is one of the most extraordinary notes, a fleeting but vibrant expression of the universe's potential. And within life, there is us, beings capable of asking, why? Beings capable of imagining futures that do not yet exist. Beings who, despite our flaws and limitations, have within us the spark of the stars. Our ability to reflect on the Big Bang, to trace our origins to that first luminous moment, is itself a miracle, a reminder of the unique and precious gift of consciousness. As we move forward, let us remember that the story of the Big Bang is not just about the universe, it is about us. It is about how we choose to live, how we choose to explore, and how we choose to care for one another in our shared world. The cosmos is vast, and our understanding is small, but in that smallness lies infinite potential. The universe began with a burst of light, a moment of unparalleled creation. That light, though faint and distant, still shines within us. It is the light of curiosity, of wonder, of hope. And as we carry that light forward, exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, let us do so with humility, with courage, and with a deep reverence for the story that began so long ago. The Big Bang is not just the past, it is the foundation of the future. It is a reminder that from the simplest of beginnings, the most extraordinary things can arise. And in that truth lies the greatest inspiration of all, that the universe, in all its grandeur and mystery, is still becoming. And so are we. The universe, still becoming, calls to us as participants in its unfolding story. The Big Bang, though distant in time, set forth a process that continues to shape everything we know and everything we are yet to discover. Its legacy is written in the stars, in the vastness of space, and in the intricate dance of life on Earth. As we reflect on this grand narrative, we find that it offers not only a glimpse into the past but also a guide for the future. The universe thrives on change, adaptation, and transformation. These same principles can inspire us as we navigate the challenges of our own existence. Just as the cosmos expanded from a single point, our potential as a species can expand when fueled by curiosity, collaboration, and creativity. The story of the Big Bang is a story of resilience. From chaos and unimaginable heat emerged structure, stability, and beauty. Galaxies formed, stars were born, and planets took shape. Within this cosmic alchemy, life found its way. And in life, consciousness emerged, a phenomenon that allows the universe to look back upon itself, to ask questions about its origin, and to seek its purpose. In this act of reflection, we uncover one of the most profound truths of all, that we are not separate from the universe. We are the result of its processes, the product of its evolution. The atoms in our bodies are older than the Earth itself, forged in stars that lived and died billions of years ago. When we contemplate the cosmos, we are, in a very real sense, contemplating ourselves. The Big Bang also reminds us of the interconnectedness of all things. The same forces that hold galaxies together govern the motion of the seas and the rhythm of our own hearts. The light from a distant star, traveling for millions of years, can illuminate our understanding of physics, chemistry, and biology. It is a cosmic thread that ties together the very large and the very small, the ancient and the present. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, we must also consider the role we play in its story. The Earth, our home, is a rare and fragile oasis in a vast, often inhospitable cosmos. Protecting this planet and fostering the life it sustains is not just a responsibility, it is a way of honoring the forces that brought us into being. Our stewardship of this world is a testament to our gratitude for the cosmos that shaped us. Looking ahead, the Big Bang inspires us to dream boldly. What lies beyond the horizon of our current understanding? Could we one day travel to other worlds, explore the farthest reaches of space, or uncover the ultimate nature of reality itself? These questions drive us forward, reminding us that exploration is not just about the physical act of discovery, it is about the human spirit's unyielding desire to learn and grow. In the end, the story of the Big Bang is a celebration of possibility. It is a reminder that from a single moment of creation, an entire universe can emerge, a universe filled with stars, galaxies, and the profound beauty of life. It is a story that teaches us to embrace the unknown, to find meaning in the journey, and to marvel at the infinite potential of existence. We are the universe made aware, a fleeting but luminous expression of its vast complexity. As we carry the light of the Big Bang forward, let us do so with wonder in our hearts, with hope for the future, and with a deep appreciation for the extraordinary journey that began so long ago. The universe is still becoming, and so are we, a part of its story, forever reaching toward the stars. As we continue reaching toward the stars, we become architects of the next chapters in the universe's story. The Big Bang set the stage for creation and evolution, but it is through our actions, discoveries, and imagination that the cosmos gains a new dimension, a reflection of itself through us. Every question we ask, every mystery we solve, adds a layer of meaning to the unfolding tapestry of existence. The light from the first stars, the galaxies spinning at the edge of the observable universe, and the faint echoes of the cosmic microwave background, these are not just distant phenomena. They are reminders of a shared origin, a cosmic birth that connects everything in existence. The universe is vast, but its history is our history, and its destiny may, in part, be shaped by the choices we make. The story of the Big Bang also carries profound implications for how we see time and existence itself. From that initial burst of energy, time began its inexorable march forward, carrying with it the potential for all that would follow. The universe, in its expansion, creates not just space but the possibility of experience, memory, and change. It teaches us that time is not merely a measure of moments, it is the medium through which creation unfolds. As we stand on this tiny planet, orbiting an unremarkable star in an ordinary galaxy, it's easy to feel small in the face of such enormity. Yet, the Big Bang reminds us that even the smallest things can have extraordinary significance. The quarks that emerged in the universe's infancy eventually formed atoms, which formed stars, which formed life. Similarly, our individual actions, though seemingly insignificant, can ripple outward in ways that shape the future. The universe's story is also a story of collaboration. The forces of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, the strong and weak nuclear forces, work together to create the cosmos we see today. In the same way, our greatest achievements as a species come from working together, uniting our diverse perspectives and talents to achieve what no individual could accomplish alone. The spirit of collaboration mirrors the interconnectedness we see in the cosmos. As we explore the remnants of the Big Bang, we also confront some of the most profound questions about existence. Why is there something rather than nothing? What lies beyond the boundaries of our observable universe? Could there be other universes, each with its own unique laws of nature and stories to tell? These questions remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is endless, and every answer we find opens the door to new mysteries. Yet, as much as the Big Bang invites us to look outward, it also encourages us to look inward. If we are the universe made conscious, then understanding ourselves, our minds, our emotions, our aspirations, is just as important as understanding the stars. In the grand cosmic drama, our lives are fleeting, but they are also precious. The meaning we create, the connections we forge, and the curiosity we nurture are as vital to the story as the galaxies themselves. The universe is still expanding, its future unwritten. And in that future lies infinite possibility. Perhaps one day, we will unlock the secrets of dark energy, harness the power of distant stars, or find life on other worlds. Perhaps we will become wanderers among the galaxies, carrying the story of the Big Bang with us to the farthest reaches of space. But no matter where our journey takes us, we remain bound by the same truth, that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. The Big Bang was not just the beginning of the universe, it was the beginning of wonder, of discovery, of the endless unfolding of existence. And as we continue to explore, let us do so with humility, with courage, and with the knowledge that we are both tiny and extraordinary, tiny in the face of the cosmos, but extraordinary in our ability to understand it. The story of the Big Bang is not over. It is written in every star that shines, every life that thrives, and every question that dares to reach beyond the limits of what is known. And in this story, we find our place, not just as observers, but as dreamers, creators, and stewards of the infinite. The infinite nature of the universe invites us to continue dreaming, exploring, and contributing to the story that began with the Big Bang. Though the scale of the cosmos humbles us, it also elevates us, reminding us that even the smallest voices can echo in the vastness of space and time. The Big Bang was the first note in a symphony that has played for billions of years, and we, as conscious beings, are now part of its melody. As the universe expands, so too does our capacity to understand it. New technologies allow us to see farther, to measure more precisely, and to test ideas that once seemed the stuff of imagination. The Large Hadron Collider reveals the behavior of the smallest particles, while telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope peer into the birthplaces of stars and galaxies. These tools are our lenses into the past, showing us glimpses of a universe in its infancy. But as much as the Big Bang is about origins, it is also about potential. What might become of this universe that began so long ago as a seething mass of energy and matter? Will it expand forever, growing colder and more diffuse as stars burn out and galaxies drift apart? Or might it one day reverse course, collapsing back into a singularity, setting the stage for another cycle of creation? There are theories that propose something even more extraordinary, that our universe is one of countless others, each with its own laws of physics, its own unique histories, and perhaps its own forms of life. This multiverse concept expands the story of the Big Bang into an even grander narrative, one that challenges our understanding of reality itself. Yet, even within the immensity of these possibilities, the Big Bang reminds us of the importance of the present moment. The atoms that make up our bodies, our planet, and everything we know were forged through processes that began billions of years ago. In a very real sense, we are the universe experiencing itself, conscious stardust that has come alive to marvel at its origins. This awareness brings with it both wonder and responsibility. Wonder, because the very fact of our existence is a miracle of cosmic proportions. Responsibility, because the fragile conditions that sustain life on Earth are not guaranteed elsewhere in the universe. The Big Bang teaches us that creation is rare and precious, and it calls us to protect the delicate balance that allows life to thrive. As we contemplate the future, the story of the Big Bang offers a guiding light. It reminds us that even from chaos and uncertainty, extraordinary things can emerge. It shows us that collaboration, curiosity, and perseverance can create not just survival but beauty, meaning, and progress. It challenges us to think beyond ourselves, to consider our role in the cosmos and the legacy we wish to leave for generations yet to come. The journey of the universe is not one of stasis but of constant transformation. The stars that now illuminate the night sky will one day fade, but new stars will be born in their place. The galaxies that now shape the structure of the cosmos will continue their slow dance, merging and evolving over billions of years. And just as the universe reinvents itself, so too can we. The Big Bang is more than a moment in time, it is a promise of infinite potential. It reminds us that from the smallest beginnings, entire universes can arise. It inspires us to seek understanding, to celebrate connection, and to honor the miracle of existence. And it invites us, always, to look to the stars, not just to find answers, but to find ourselves. As we move forward, let us carry the lessons of the Big Bang in our hearts, that we are part of something vast and beautiful, that we have the power to create and to protect, and that the universe's story is also our own. The light of the Big Bang still shines within us, and it will guide us as we continue to explore, to dream, and to reach for the infinite. The cosmos is still becoming, and so are we. As we continue to evolve alongside the universe, the story of the Big Bang remains a beacon of inspiration, guiding us through the mysteries of existence. It whispers to us of beginnings and endings, of infinite cycles and boundless creativity. It reminds us that every atom, every star, and every thought is a testament to the transformative power of time, energy, and connection. The journey that began with the Big Bang is not merely about the cosmos expanding outward, it is also about an inward expansion, a deepening of our understanding, our empathy, and our sense of wonder. Just as galaxies are drawn together by gravity, we are drawn together by our shared origin. The Big Bang unites us, not only with each other but with everything that exists, from the tiniest particle to the grandest cosmic structure. And yet, even as we seek to comprehend the universe, we are reminded that some mysteries may never fully reveal themselves. What came before the Big Bang? Why did it happen? Is there a purpose to this immense unfolding, or is it simply a natural consequence of the laws of physics? These questions, as profound as they are, invite us to embrace the unknown, not as a source of frustration, but as a wellspring of curiosity and imagination. In the same way that the Big Bang set the universe in motion, our questions propel us forward, driving us to explore not only the outer reaches of space but also the depths of our own potential. Through science, we peel back the layers of the cosmos, uncovering its secrets bit by bit. Through art and philosophy, we give voice to the emotions and ideas that arise from our place within this vast expanse. And through collaboration, we weave together diverse perspectives, enriching our collective understanding of what it means to exist. The universe, with all its grandeur and complexity, is a constant reminder that even the most seemingly insignificant beginnings can give rise to extraordinary outcomes. A single burst of energy birthed galaxies. A small, rocky planet became a cradle for life. A collection of atoms formed beings capable of looking up at the stars and wondering why they shine. And so, the story of the Big Bang is not just about the universe, it is about us. It is a story of resilience, of creativity, and of hope. It teaches us that even in the face of uncertainty, there is always the potential for growth, for connection, and for discovery. As we look to the future, the light of the Big Bang continues to guide us. It urges us to explore, not just the cosmos but also the questions that lie within our own hearts. What kind of world do we want to create? How can we honor the fragile miracle of life? And how can we ensure that the story of humanity becomes a meaningful chapter in the universe's grand narrative? The universe is still expanding, and so are we. With every passing moment, we have the opportunity to contribute to its unfolding, to add our voices, our ideas, and our dreams to the symphony that began with a single, luminous moment of creation. The Big Bang is not just the past, it is the foundation of the future, a future that we have the privilege and responsibility to shape. In the vastness of space and time, it is easy to feel small. But the story of the Big Bang reminds us that we are anything but insignificant. We are the result of billions of years of cosmic evolution, stardust brought to life, capable of love, creativity, and wonder. And in that, we find our greatest purpose, to celebrate the miracle of existence and to carry the light of the universe forward. The journey is far from over. The cosmos continues to evolve, and so do we. Together, as stewards of the earth and explorers of the infinite, we are part of a story that began with the Big Bang and will continue to unfold for billions of years to come. Let us honor that story, cherish it, and, above all, embrace it as a reminder of the extraordinary possibilities that arise when we reach for the stars. As we reach for the stars, the legacy of the Big Bang serves as a constant reminder of what it means to be a part of the universe. Born from a single moment of incomprehensible energy and transformation, the cosmos has given rise to galaxies, stars, planets, and the profound beauty of life itself. This unfolding narrative is not just a backdrop to our existence, it is the very essence of who we are. The journey that began with the Big Bang is one of perpetual change and renewal. It is a story of resilience, where even in the face of entropy and decay, the cosmos finds ways to create, to evolve, and to thrive. Stars explode, scattering their elements into space, only for those elements to coalesce into new stars, planets, and, ultimately, life. This cycle of destruction and creation mirrors the rhythms of our own lives, reminding us that endings often pave the way for new beginnings. The Big Bang also speaks to the profound interconnectedness of all things. The same laws of physics that govern the orbits of galaxies also dictate the motion of the atoms in our bodies. The energy that set the universe in motion flows through us, connecting us to the stars, the earth, and each other. In this web of cosmic connection, we find not only a sense of belonging but also a sense of responsibility. Our place in the universe, though small, is significant. As beings capable of reflection and imagination, we have the power to shape the future, not only for ourselves but for all life on this planet. The Big Bang teaches us that creation is a process, one that requires patience, collaboration, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. It challenges us to think beyond our individual lives, to consider the long arc of time, and to act as stewards of the world we've inherited. As the universe expands, so too does our capacity for exploration and understanding. The questions that drive us: what is dark energy? Are we alone in the cosmos? What lies beyond the observable universe, are not just scientific inquiries, they are expressions of our innate curiosity, our desire to connect with something greater than ourselves. Each answer we uncover brings new questions, propelling us ever forward. But the Big Bang is not only a story of the cosmos, it is a story of hope. It tells us that from the simplest beginnings, infinite possibilities can emerge. It shows us that even in moments of darkness, there is light, and even in chaos, there is order. This message resonates deeply, reminding us that the challenges we face, both as individuals and as a species, are opportunities for growth and transformation. Looking ahead, the future of the universe is as open and boundless as the imagination. Perhaps we will one day unlock the mysteries of the multiverse, travel to distant stars, or create thriving civilizations among the galaxies. Or perhaps our greatest achievements will lie in how we care for our home, nurture life, and ensure that the story of humanity becomes a lasting and meaningful part of the cosmic narrative. The Big Bang invites us to dream without limits, to see ourselves as both small and extraordinary, as fleeting moments in time yet deeply connected to eternity. It reminds us that the universe is still becoming, and so are we. Its story is our story, a story of creation, connection, and endless possibility. And so, as we continue this journey, let us do so with wonder in our hearts and a commitment to the future. Let us cherish the fragile miracle of life, explore the mysteries of the cosmos, and strive to leave a legacy worthy of the stars. The light of the Big Bang still shines, not just in the heavens but in each of us, illuminating a path forward, toward discovery, toward unity, and toward the infinite potential that lies within us all. As we follow the light of the Big Bang into the future, we step into an uncharted expanse where the possibilities are as limitless as the cosmos itself. The story that began nearly 14 billion years ago is far from finished. It continues to unfold with every discovery, every act of creation, and every moment of understanding we bring into the world. The universe, vast and mysterious, teaches us that evolution is not just a biological process but a cosmic principle. From the birth of stars to the emergence of galaxies, from the formation of planets to the dawn of consciousness, each stage of the universe's journey is marked by transformation. And just as the cosmos has evolved, so too can we, as individuals, as a society, and as a species capable of shaping its own destiny. The Big Bang reminds us of our dual role as observers and participants. We are the eyes and minds of the universe, reflecting on its origins and contemplating its future. But we are also its caretakers, entrusted with the delicate web of life on Earth and the responsibility to preserve it. This stewardship is not a burden, it is a privilege, a chance to honor the forces that brought us into being. In the face of the universe's enormity, it can be tempting to feel insignificant. But the Big Bang tells a different story. It shows us that every part of the cosmos, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the whole. The particles that formed in the first moments of creation are the same particles that make up the stars, the oceans, and our very bodies. In this continuity, we find not only connection but purpose. The legacy of the Big Bang is also a call to creativity. The universe itself is an artist, sculpting galaxies, painting nebulae, and weaving the intricate patterns of life. As beings born of this creative force, we too have the power to imagine, to innovate, and to build. Whether through science, art, or the simple act of kindness, we have the ability to add something unique to the cosmos, a testament to the creative spirit that resides within us all. As we look deeper into the cosmos, we are reminded that its mysteries are as much about the future as they are about the past. What will the universe become? Will its expansion continue forever, or will it one day collapse into a new cycle of creation? Could life, in some form, arise elsewhere, carried by the same universal principles that gave rise to us? These questions are an invitation to dream and to reach beyond the limits of what we know. The story of the Big Bang also encourages us to embrace uncertainty. Just as the early universe was shaped by randomness and chance, so too is our journey shaped by the unknown. Yet, within this uncertainty lies the potential for discovery. The universe's most profound truths often emerge not from answers, but from the courage to ask questions and the willingness to explore. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we also explore ourselves. The search for understanding is a mirror reflecting our deepest aspirations, fears, and hopes. The more we learn about the universe, the more we realize that its vastness is not a barrier but an inspiration, a reminder that we are part of something greater than ourselves. The Big Bang is not just a moment in time, it is a promise that creation is ongoing, that the universe is alive with potential, and that our journey is only beginning. It is a testament to the resilience of life, the power of connection, and the boundless possibilities of existence. As we stand at the edge of what is known, gazing into the infinite unknown, let us carry the lessons of the Big Bang with us. Let us remember that we are stardust with a purpose, explorers with a mission, and dreamers with the power to shape the future. The universe is still becoming, and so are we, a luminous thread in the tapestry of time, reaching ever outward, toward the stars, and toward the infinite possibilities that await. As the universe continues to evolve, so too does our role within it. The Big Bang, that initial moment of brilliance, set in motion a chain of events that would ultimately lead to us, beings capable of understanding the cosmos and shaping its future. In this grand narrative, we are not merely spectators but active participants, uniquely positioned to leave our mark on the ever-expanding story of existence. The light from the Big Bang still echoes across the cosmos in the form of the cosmic microwave background, a faint glow that whispers of the universe's infancy. It is a reminder of the vast gulf of time and space that separates us from those first moments. Yet, it also serves as a bridge, connecting us to the origins of all things. In that faint radiation, we hear the echoes of creation itself, a story that began with unimaginable energy and continues with us. As we gaze deeper into the universe, we also gaze deeper into time. Every star, every galaxy, every quasar we observe carries the light of a bygone era. The universe is a living archive, a record of its own history, waiting to be deciphered. And in that history, we find not only the story of the cosmos but the story of our own origins. To study the stars is to study ourselves. But the Big Bang also reminds us that the universe is not static, it is in constant motion, driven by forces we are only beginning to understand. The discovery of dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating the expansion of the universe, has reshaped our understanding of its ultimate fate. Will the cosmos expand forever, growing colder and darker as the stars burn out? Or might there be a cycle of renewal, where new beginnings emerge from what we now see as endings? These questions are not just theoretical, they challenge us to think about our place in this unfolding drama. What role can humanity play in the cosmic story? Could we one day carry life beyond Earth, seeding other worlds with the same spark that began here so long ago? Could we become not just students of the cosmos, but stewards of its future, ensuring that the light of the Big Bang continues to shine for eons to come? The answers to these questions lie not just in science but in our collective imagination. The Big Bang teaches us that creation begins with possibility, and possibility is born from curiosity, courage, and collaboration. As we work together to explore the cosmos, we are also exploring the limits of what humanity can achieve when united by a shared vision. This journey is not without challenges. The universe is vast and often unforgiving, and the path forward is fraught with uncertainty. Yet, the Big Bang itself is a testament to the power of resilience. From chaos came order, from simplicity came complexity, and from a single moment of creation came a universe filled with wonders. If the cosmos can overcome the odds to create stars, galaxies, and life, then so too can we rise to meet the challenges of our time. The legacy of the Big Bang is a call to action, a reminder that the universe's story is still being written and that we have a part to play. Whether through scientific discovery, artistic expression, or acts of kindness and compassion, we contribute to the unfolding narrative. Every step we take toward understanding, every effort to protect and nurture life, adds a new chapter to the cosmic saga. And so, as we move forward, let us do so with a sense of awe and purpose. The Big Bang was not just the beginning of the universe, it was the beginning of infinite possibilities. Its light still shines within us, a beacon that guides us toward discovery, connection, and the endless pursuit of knowledge. The universe is still expanding, its future open and full of potential. And as we journey through it, let us remember that we are not just observers of the cosmos, we are its storytellers, its explorers, and its dreamers. Together, we carry the legacy of the Big Bang forward, shaping the future of a universe that is, and always will be, in the process of becoming. As we carry the legacy of the Big Bang into the future, we recognize that its story is also a profound reflection of our own potential. The universe, born from a moment of intense energy and possibility, has spent billions of years expanding, evolving, and creating. It has shown us that from even the simplest beginnings, complexity, beauty, and meaning can emerge. And in this truth, we find inspiration for our own journey. The cosmos is vast beyond comprehension, but it is also deeply intimate. Every element in our bodies, every breath we take, every thought we think, all of it is a continuation of processes that began in the heart of stars and the fabric of spacetime itself. We are living expressions of the universe's creativity, each of us a unique manifestation of its infinite potential. This realization is both humbling and empowering. It reminds us that, though we are small in the grand scale of the cosmos, we are not insignificant. We are threads in the tapestry of existence, and our choices, actions, and dreams ripple outward, shaping the world and the universe around us. The story of the Big Bang is also a story of connection. It teaches us that everything in the universe, from the tiniest particle to the largest galaxy, is part of an interconnected whole. This interconnectedness is mirrored in our relationships with one another and with the planet we call home. Just as the forces of gravity and energy shape the cosmos, the forces of empathy, cooperation, and shared purpose shape our human experience. As we look to the future, the lessons of the Big Bang challenge us to dream boldly and act wisely. What kind of civilization do we wish to build? How can we use our understanding of the cosmos to create a world that honors life, celebrates diversity, and embraces the unknown? How can we balance the drive to explore the stars with the need to care for the fragile planet that gave us life? These questions are not just about science or technology, they are about humanity's deepest aspirations. The Big Bang reminds us that the universe thrives on curiosity and creativity, and it challenges us to bring those qualities to our own endeavors. Whether through advancing knowledge, fostering compassion, or protecting the environment, we have the power to contribute to the cosmic story in meaningful ways. The cosmos also invites us to embrace the mystery. Despite all we have learned, there is so much we do not yet understand. What lies beyond the observable universe? What is the true nature of time and space? Could there be other forms of life, other intelligences, pondering their own origins somewhere among the stars? These unanswered questions are not barriers, they are opportunities to wonder, to explore, and to grow. The Big Bang's light continues to shine, not just in the distant echoes of the cosmic microwave background but in the curiosity and imagination that drive us forward. It reminds us that the universe is not static but alive with potential, constantly changing, creating, and becoming. And we, as conscious beings, are part of that process, agents of transformation within an evolving cosmos. As we move through this infinite journey, let us carry with us the spirit of the Big Bang, the courage to begin, the resilience to grow, and the vision to imagine what could be. Let us remember that the universe's story is not something that happened long ago, it is something that is still unfolding, and we are a part of it. In every question we ask, every discovery we make, and every connection we forge, we honor the legacy of the Big Bang. We bring its light into the present, shaping the future of a universe that is as boundless as our dreams. Together, let us embrace the wonder of existence, reaching ever outward toward the stars and inward toward the infinite possibilities within ourselves. The universe is still becoming, and so are we. As the universe continues its grand evolution, so too does our understanding and our role within it. The Big Bang, the moment that set everything into motion, is not just a distant event in time, it is the foundation of everything we see, feel, and know. And though billions of years separate us from that singular moment, its essence lives on in every corner of the cosmos, and within us. The universe's story, like our own, is one of continual transformation. From the fiery beginnings of the Big Bang to the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets, the cosmos has been in a state of constant creation. Each step in this journey has built upon the last, culminating in a world that can think, dream, and explore its origins. As beings born from stardust, we carry the universe's legacy within us. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars, scattered across the cosmos by supernovae, and woven into the intricate fabric of life. We are, quite literally, the universe made conscious, a living, breathing extension of the cosmos's endless creativity. This realization places us at a unique crossroads. We are not just products of the universe, we are participants in its unfolding story. Our curiosity drives us to ask questions about our origins, our purpose, and our future. Our ingenuity enables us to build tools that extend our senses, allowing us to peer into the depths of space and time. And our imagination inspires us to envision a future that reaches far beyond the confines of our tiny planet. Yet, as we contemplate the infinite, we must also remember the finite. The Earth, our home, is a fragile oasis in a vast and often hostile universe. The Big Bang teaches us that creation is a rare and precious phenomenon, and it challenges us to protect and cherish the conditions that make life possible. As stewards of this planet, we have a responsibility not only to the present but also to the generations that will come after us. The legacy of the Big Bang is also a call to unity. It reminds us that, at our core, we are all connected, by our shared origins, by the forces that govern the universe, and by the light that has traveled across billions of years to reach us. In the face of the cosmos's vastness, our differences fade, and what remains is our common humanity and our shared place in the grand cosmic narrative. As we look to the future, the possibilities seem as infinite as the universe itself. What might we discover as we push the boundaries of our knowledge? Could we one day unlock the mysteries of dark energy and dark matter, uncover evidence of other universes, or even find life beyond Earth? These questions ignite our imagination, reminding us that the journey of exploration is far from over. And yet, the most profound lesson of the Big Bang may be this, that we are creators, just as the universe is a creator. Every act of kindness, every spark of innovation, every moment of wonder adds to the unfolding story of existence. We have the power to shape the future, not just for ourselves, but for the cosmos as a whole. The universe is still becoming, and so are we. In its ever-expanding vastness, it invites us to dream without limits, to explore with courage, and to act with purpose. It reminds us that from the smallest beginnings, extraordinary things can arise, and that the light of creation continues to shine within us all. As we journey through time and space, let us carry the lessons of the Big Bang with us, that we are connected, that we are resilient, and that we are capable of greatness. Let us honor the legacy of the stars by reaching for the infinite, by protecting the delicate balance of life, and by embracing the boundless potential that lies within each of us. The Big Bang was not just the beginning, it was an invitation. An invitation to wonder, to explore, and to create. And as we step into the future, let us do so with open hearts, curious minds, and the knowledge that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. The universe is still unfolding, and together, we are writing its next chapter. The next chapter of the universe is ours to write, and in that responsibility lies both an extraordinary opportunity and a profound challenge. The Big Bang has given us the raw materials, the energy, and the potential for endless discovery, but how we shape the future depends on the choices we make today. As we gaze upward at the stars, we must also look inward. The cosmos has evolved for billions of years to create conditions that allow life to thrive, yet we find ourselves at a pivotal moment in the story. The Earth, a delicate world orbiting an ordinary star, is a rare oasis in an otherwise vast and often inhospitable universe. It is a gift, forged in the fires of ancient stars and sustained by countless cycles of creation and renewal. Our stewardship of this planet is not just a duty, it is a continuation of the cosmic story. The same processes that brought the universe into being have made us its caretakers. Just as stars scatter their elements to form new worlds, we have the ability to scatter seeds of hope, innovation, and compassion, ensuring that life flourishes not just here, but perhaps someday, among the stars. The Big Bang also calls us to unity. It reminds us that we are all born of the same cosmic moment, that the atoms in our bodies are intertwined with the fabric of the universe. The divisions we create, nations, cultures, beliefs, are dwarfed by the shared heritage of stardust that binds us together. When we look beyond our immediate differences, we see a common thread, the desire to understand, to connect, and to leave a lasting mark on the world. The universe itself is a teacher, offering lessons in resilience and transformation. Its vastness humbles us, its beauty inspires us, and its mysteries challenge us to push beyond the boundaries of our knowledge. Each discovery we make, from the behavior of subatomic particles to the behavior of entire galaxies, adds a new layer of meaning to the story of existence. But the universe also leaves room for wonder. Despite our advancements, we are still confronted by profound mysteries. What is the true nature of time and space? Are there other universes beyond our own? Could life exist in forms we have yet to imagine, somewhere in the far reaches of the cosmos? These unanswered questions are not barriers, they are invitations to explore, to dream, and to embrace the unknown. The legacy of the Big Bang is a reminder that even the smallest beginnings can lead to unimaginable outcomes. It challenges us to think beyond our immediate moment, to imagine what the universe, and humanity, might look like in 1,000,000 years, 1,000,000,000 years, or even longer. Will we become a spacefaring species, carrying the spark of life to other worlds? Will we unlock the secrets of creation itself? Or will we find meaning in simply being caretakers of this fragile world? Whatever the future holds, the story of the Big Bang teaches us that change and growth are constants. The universe is not static, it is dynamic, ever-evolving, and endlessly creative. And in that dynamism, we find hope, hope that, even in the face of challenges, we can adapt, innovate, and thrive. As we move forward, let us carry the light of the Big Bang within us. Let us honor its legacy by pursuing knowledge, nurturing life, and creating a world that reflects the beauty and interconnectedness of the cosmos. Let us remember that we are not just observers of the universe, we are its storytellers, its creators, and its stewards. The universe is still expanding, its possibilities as infinite as the stars themselves. And as we journey through time and space, let us do so with wonder, with courage, and with the unwavering belief that our actions matter. For in the vastness of the cosmos, even the smallest light can shine brightly, illuminating the path forward for generations to come. The Big Bang was the first act of creation, but the story is far from over. Together, we hold the pen, ready to write the next chapter of the universe's unfolding narrative. Let us make it a story worthy of the stars, a testament to the infinite potential of life, and a celebration of the boundless wonder of existence. The next chapter of the universe's story is unwritten, and in that blank canvas lies an infinite realm of possibilities. From the moment of the Big Bang to the emergence of galaxies and life, the cosmos has demonstrated its boundless capacity for transformation and growth. Now, as conscious beings capable of reflection, creativity, and choice, we stand at the forefront of its continuing evolution. The Big Bang, in all its power and simplicity, serves as a reminder that every journey begins with a single moment. In our own lives and in the collective story of humanity, we too experience our own Big Bangs, moments of inspiration, discovery, and connection that set the stage for something far greater. Just as the universe expanded from a point of singularity, so too can our actions ripple outward, influencing the future in ways we may not yet understand. As we expand our horizons, both outward into the cosmos and inward into the mysteries of our own minds, we are guided by the same principles that have shaped the universe itself: curiosity, resilience, and creativity. Each step we take toward understanding, each leap of imagination, carries us closer to unlocking the secrets of existence. And yet, the journey is as important as the destination, for in the act of exploration, we find meaning, purpose, and a deeper connection to the world around us. The Big Bang also challenges us to embrace the unknown. The universe, vast and mysterious, is filled with questions that defy easy answers. What lies beyond the observable cosmos? What is the true nature of reality? Are we alone, or are there other conscious beings somewhere out there, looking up at their skies and wondering the same things? These questions are not obstacles, they are opportunities to grow, to learn, and to dream. As we look to the future, the possibilities are as limitless as the stars. Humanity's role in the cosmic narrative is still unfolding. Could we one day become explorers of other worlds, carrying the light of life to distant planets? Might we find ways to harness the energy of stars, extending our reach across the galaxy? Or perhaps our greatest legacy will be found not in how far we travel, but in how deeply we connect, with each other, with our planet, and with the universe itself. The lessons of the Big Bang also call us to responsibility. The Earth, our home, is a rare and fragile gem in an otherwise inhospitable cosmos. The forces that shape the universe gave rise to this oasis of life, and it is our duty to protect it. To honor the legacy of creation, we must act as stewards of the planet, safeguarding its ecosystems and ensuring that future generations inherit a world of possibility. And while the universe's vastness can make us feel small, it also reveals our extraordinary potential. In the face of infinity, every act of kindness, every spark of innovation, every moment of wonder becomes profoundly significant. We are, after all, the universe made conscious, a fleeting yet luminous expression of its boundless creativity. As we move forward, let us do so with a sense of wonder and gratitude. Let us remember that we are part of a story billions of years in the making, and that our actions today shape the chapters yet to come. The universe, in its infinite complexity, is still becoming, and so are we. Together, we are the authors of its next chapter, the architects of its future. The Big Bang is not just a moment in time, it is a reminder of what is possible. It shows us that from the smallest spark, entire galaxies can be born. From chaos, beauty can emerge. And from a single, luminous beginning, a cosmos of infinite potential can unfold. Let us honor this legacy by reaching ever outward, toward the stars, toward understanding, and toward each other. The light of the Big Bang still shines within us, a beacon of hope and inspiration. It calls us to dream, to explore, and to create, reminding us that we are not just observers of the universe's story. We are its storytellers, its creators, and its stewards. The cosmos is still expanding, and so too is our capacity to imagine, to grow, and to connect. Together, let us embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead, and let us write a story worthy of the stars, a story of wonder, unity, and the boundless potential of life. As we embrace the boundless potential of life and the universe, we are reminded that the story of the cosmos is, at its heart, a story of emergence. From the Big Bang to the birth of stars, from the formation of galaxies to the rise of life on Earth, the universe has demonstrated its ability to create complexity from simplicity, order from chaos, and meaning from the void. This narrative does not belong to the stars alone, it belongs to us. Every thought we think, every dream we pursue, and every connection we forge are continuations of the same cosmic processes that shaped the first atoms and the brightest galaxies. In our quest to understand the universe, we are also understanding ourselves, our origins, our potential, and our place within the grand tapestry of existence. The light of the Big Bang, now faint and ancient, still reaches us, carrying the message of beginnings. It is a message that encourages us to reflect on our own beginnings and the journey that has brought us here. From the first spark of curiosity to the groundbreaking discoveries of modern science, humanity's story mirrors the universe's story, a journey of growth, resilience, and boundless exploration. But the Big Bang's lessons extend beyond the cosmos. It teaches us that from the simplest of beginnings can arise something extraordinary. This truth is a source of hope, reminding us that even in moments of darkness, there is always the potential for light. It challenges us to see not just what is, but what could be, and to work toward a future that reflects the beauty and interconnectedness of the cosmos. Looking ahead, the universe invites us to imagine what lies beyond our current understanding. What marvels await us as we peer deeper into space and time? Could we one day uncover the origins of dark energy, map the fabric of spacetime, or glimpse the edge of the observable universe? And what might we learn about life itself, not just here on Earth, but in distant corners of the cosmos? These questions are more than scientific, they are profoundly human. They remind us that exploration is not just about finding answers, but about igniting our sense of wonder and expanding our capacity for imagination. They connect us to something greater than ourselves, a shared journey that spans the stars and unites us in the pursuit of knowledge. The story of the Big Bang is also a call to action. It reminds us that we are stewards of a rare and precious world, a planet teeming with life in an otherwise vast and often inhospitable universe. Our ability to reflect, to innovate, and to create gives us the power to shape the future, not just for ourselves, but for generations to come. In this, we carry forward the universe's legacy of creation, ensuring that the light of life continues to shine. And so, as we stand on the threshold of new discoveries and infinite possibilities, let us remember the lessons of the Big Bang. Let us embrace the unknown with courage, the present with gratitude, and the future with vision. Let us work together to create a world that reflects the harmony and creativity of the cosmos, a world where science and imagination, compassion and exploration, come together to illuminate the path forward. The universe is still becoming, and so are we. In its expansion, it offers us a profound invitation, to grow, to connect, and to create. Each of us is a part of this cosmic journey, a spark of the same energy that ignited the stars. Together, we have the power to write the next chapter of the universe's story, a chapter filled with discovery, unity, and the enduring light of hope. The Big Bang was not the end of a question, but the beginning of a journey. That journey continues, carried forward by us, the universe made conscious. And as we move through the infinite expanse of time and space, let us carry the light of the cosmos within us, a beacon to guide us as we reach ever outward, toward the stars, toward understanding, and toward the infinite possibilities that await. As we continue to chart the course of this cosmic journey, we are reminded that the story of the universe is one of perpetual transformation. From the first radiant moments of the Big Bang to the complex structures of galaxies, stars, and planets, every step has been a testament to the universe's capacity to evolve. And now, as conscious beings, we carry that evolution forward, not just as observers, but as creators and caretakers. The light of the Big Bang, now faint and stretched across billions of years, is still with us. It whispers of beginnings, of an unfolding cosmos filled with potential and promise. In its echo, we find not only the history of the universe but also a profound lesson, that even the smallest spark can give rise to unimaginable wonders. This is the power of creation, a power that resides within the universe and within each of us. As we gaze into the depths of space, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all things. The atoms in our bodies were born in stars, the energy that fuels our lives is tied to the fundamental forces of nature, and the stories we tell are woven into the fabric of the cosmos itself. We are not separate from the universe, we are expressions of its creativity, participants in its ongoing evolution. Yet, the story of the Big Bang also calls us to humility. The universe is vast beyond comprehension, its mysteries infinite. We are but a small part of its grandeur, a fleeting moment in its immense timeline. And yet, within that smallness lies something extraordinary, the ability to reflect, to wonder, and to dream. Our dreams have already carried us far. We have walked on the moon, sent probes to the outer planets, and gazed at the earliest galaxies with telescopes that push the boundaries of what we can see. But the Big Bang reminds us that exploration is not just about reaching distant worlds, it is about expanding our understanding, deepening our connections, and imagining what might be possible. As we look to the future, the universe invites us to think not only about what we can discover but also about what we can create. Could we one day harness the energy of stars, ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come? Might we become ambassadors of life, bringing the spark of creation to other planets? Could we find ways to live in harmony with the natural rhythms of the cosmos, honoring the delicate balance that has allowed life to flourish? These questions are as much about our responsibility as they are about our potential. The Earth, our home, is a rare and fragile gift, a world shaped by billions of years of cosmic history. The story of the Big Bang reminds us that life is precious, a fleeting phenomenon in an otherwise vast and often hostile universe. To honor this gift, we must act as stewards of our planet, preserving its beauty and vitality for future generations. But the story of the universe is not confined to Earth. It is a story of connection, of creativity, and of boundless possibility. The same forces that shaped the first galaxies continue to shape us, and the same light that emerged from the Big Bang still illuminates our path forward. As we journey through time and space, let us carry with us the spirit of curiosity, resilience, and hope that has defined the cosmos from its very first moments. The Big Bang was not just the beginning of the universe, it was the beginning of a story that continues to unfold, a story that includes us. And as we step into the next chapter, let us do so with the knowledge that we are part of something vast and extraordinary. The universe is still expanding, still becoming, and so are we. Together, let us honor the legacy of the stars by reaching for the infinite, by cherishing the fragile beauty of life, and by embracing the boundless possibilities of existence. The cosmos calls us to dream, to create, and to explore, not just for ourselves, but for the generations who will look to the stars and continue the journey we have begun. The story of the Big Bang is far from over, and we are its storytellers, shaping a future as infinite as the universe itself. The story of the Big Bang is a testament to the infinite possibilities inherent in every beginning. It reminds us that creation is an ongoing process, one that transcends time and space. As the universe continues its expansion, we are part of that evolution, poised to contribute to its unfolding narrative in ways that are as boundless as the cosmos itself. Each moment, we stand at the edge of discovery. New technologies allow us to look further into the past, to see the universe as it was just moments after the Big Bang. With every photon captured by our telescopes, we gain insights into the origins of galaxies, the nature of dark matter, and the forces that have shaped the cosmos. But more than that, we deepen our understanding of the laws that govern reality, laws that connect the largest galaxy clusters to the smallest particles in our bodies. The Big Bang also calls us to reflect on the nature of time. From its first instant, the universe began a journey of unfolding, a process that has led to the complex and vibrant world we see today. Time, in this sense, is not just a measurement, it is a medium through which creation flows. It is the canvas upon which the universe paints its masterpiece, and we are both subjects and artists in this ever-expanding work. But time also reminds us of the urgency of our moment. The conditions that allow life to exist are fleeting in the grand timeline of the cosmos. The stars that light our skies will not burn forever, and the Earth itself is but a temporary haven. This knowledge is not a cause for despair but a call to action. It challenges us to make the most of our moment, to protect the delicate balance of life, and to use our creativity to ensure that the story of the cosmos continues to thrive. The story of the Big Bang also speaks to the power of connection. The universe, in its vastness, is a web of relationships, between stars and planets, between matter and energy, and between the seen and the unseen. This interconnectedness is mirrored in our own lives. Just as no galaxy exists in isolation, no individual exists apart from the web of life. Our actions ripple outward, shaping the world and the cosmos in ways we may not fully comprehend. As we look to the future, the possibilities before us are as expansive as the universe itself. Could we one day become an interstellar species, exploring the farthest reaches of space and bringing the light of life to new worlds? Might we unlock the secrets of dark energy, unraveling the mystery of the universe's accelerating expansion? Or perhaps we will find ways to live in harmony with our planet and each other, creating a world that reflects the unity and beauty of the cosmos. These dreams are not just about science or technology, they are about humanity's deepest aspirations. The Big Bang teaches us that even the most humble beginnings can lead to extraordinary outcomes. It challenges us to see ourselves as part of something greater, to embrace the unknown with courage, and to act with a sense of purpose that honors the legacy of the stars. As we journey onward, let us remember that the light of the Big Bang still shines within us. It is the light of curiosity, of creativity, and of hope. It calls us to explore not just the outer reaches of the cosmos but the inner depths of our own potential. It reminds us that we are not just observers of the universe's story, we are participants, shaping its future with every choice we make. The universe is still becoming, and so are we. Together, we are writing the next chapter of a story that began with a single moment of creation. Let it be a story of wonder, of unity, and of infinite possibilities. Let it be a story that honors the light of the Big Bang and carries it forward, illuminating the path for all who come after us. The stars await, the cosmos beckons, and the journey continues. Let us go forth with open hearts, curious minds, and the unwavering belief that we are part of something truly extraordinary, a universe of endless potential, still unfolding, and forever becoming. The unfolding universe continues to invite us to dream, explore, and create, carrying forward the light ignited by the Big Bang. In every star that burns, every galaxy that spins, and every atom that vibrates, we see the continuation of a story that began in a moment of unparalleled brilliance. It is a story that transcends boundaries, linking the vastness of the cosmos with the intimate details of our existence. This connection between the infinite and the personal is one of the most profound gifts of the Big Bang's legacy. It reminds us that we are not just inhabitants of the universe, we are embodiments of its creativity and curiosity. Our ability to think, to wonder, and to ask, why, is a direct consequence of the same cosmic forces that forged the stars and set galaxies in motion. As we look to the distant future, the possibilities are as expansive as the cosmos itself. Imagine a time when humanity has reached beyond the confines of Earth, establishing a presence among the stars. Imagine a future where the mysteries of dark energy and dark matter are no longer enigmas but understood as essential components of a universe teeming with life and potential. Imagine worlds shaped by our collective vision, a vision informed by the wisdom of the Big Bang and the interconnectedness it reveals. Yet, as we strive for these distant horizons, the lessons of the Big Bang call us to act with humility and care. The Earth, our birthplace, remains the foundation of our journey. It is a rare gem, forged over billions of years in the crucible of cosmic evolution, and its fragility demands our respect. Protecting our planet and nurturing its ecosystems is not merely a practical necessity, it is a moral imperative, a way of honoring the forces that brought us into being. The Big Bang also reminds us of the value of perspective. In the face of the universe's vastness, our daily concerns can seem small, but they are not insignificant. Every moment of kindness, every spark of creativity, and every act of exploration adds to the tapestry of existence. Like the particles born in the earliest moments of the cosmos, our contributions, no matter how small, ripple outward, shaping the future in ways we may never fully grasp. And while the future may be uncertain, the Big Bang offers a powerful lesson in resilience. From chaos emerged order, from simplicity arose complexity, and from a singular point of energy came a universe filled with wonder. This process reminds us that challenges are not the end, they are the beginnings of transformation. Just as the universe evolved, so too can we, finding ways to adapt, grow, and thrive. The journey of the cosmos is not one of isolation but of connection. The galaxies, stars, and planets are bound together by invisible forces, just as we are bound to one another by shared origins and shared aspirations. The story of the Big Bang invites us to celebrate this unity, to recognize that our differences are outweighed by the common threads that tie us to the stars and to each other. As we step into the future, let us carry with us the light of the Big Bang, a light that symbolizes hope, creativity, and the infinite possibilities of existence. Let it guide us as we explore the mysteries of the cosmos, care for our fragile world, and build a future worthy of the stars. The universe is still expanding, its story still unfolding. And within that vast expanse, we have a unique role to play. Together, as dreamers, explorers, and creators, we are the continuation of a journey that began billions of years ago. Let us honor that journey by reaching ever outward, toward the stars, toward understanding, and toward the boundless horizon of what we can become. The cosmos beckons, the future awaits, and the light of creation shines on. Let us embrace it with wonder, with purpose, and with the knowledge that we are part of something extraordinary, a universe forever becoming, and forever inviting us to join in its story. As the universe's story continues to unfold, we find ourselves at a remarkable crossroads, a moment where the past, present, and future converge. The Big Bang, the genesis of everything we know, set in motion a chain of events that led to the emergence of life, consciousness, and a species capable of pondering its own origins. And now, billions of years later, we stand as stewards of that legacy, tasked with both understanding the cosmos and shaping its future. The light of the Big Bang, stretching across space and time, is a constant reminder that the universe is a dynamic and creative force. It began as a singularity, an almost impossibly small point containing everything, energy, matter, time, and space itself. From that single moment, an endless symphony of creation began, one that continues to resonate in every corner of the cosmos. As we delve deeper into the universe, both outward and inward, we discover that its greatest lessons are often reflections of ourselves. The same forces that govern the motion of galaxies also shape the patterns of our lives. The same principles that forge the stars drive our own creativity and growth. And the same mysteries that lie at the heart of the cosmos, questions of origin, purpose, and connection, resonate within our own hearts and minds. This interconnectedness is both humbling and empowering. It reminds us that we are not separate from the universe, we are an integral part of its story. The atoms in our bodies were forged in stars, the energy that sustains us was born in the heart of the cosmos, and the thoughts we think are echoes of the same creative forces that shape the galaxies. But this connection also comes with responsibility. The universe has given us life, consciousness, and the ability to dream. How we choose to use those gifts will shape not only our own future but also the legacy we leave behind. Will we honor the delicate balance of life on Earth, ensuring that our planet remains a thriving oasis in the vastness of space? Will we use our knowledge and creativity to explore the stars, carrying the light of life to new worlds? Or will we find meaning in simply being present, in cherishing the beauty of existence and the wonder of the cosmos? The Big Bang teaches us that beginnings are powerful, but so too is the journey. Just as the universe evolved from a hot, chaotic state into a cosmos of incredible complexity, so too can we evolve, individually, as a species, and as a civilization. Challenges will arise, but the story of the Big Bang reminds us that even in moments of great upheaval, there is the potential for renewal and growth. As we look to the future, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Could we one day create technologies that allow us to explore other galaxies? Might we find evidence of life elsewhere in the cosmos, forging connections with beings who share our curiosity and wonder? Or could our greatest achievements lie in the way we learn to live in harmony with our planet and each other, creating a world that reflects the unity and beauty of the cosmos. Whatever the future holds, the lessons of the Big Bang will continue to guide us. It reminds us that we are part of a story billions of years in the making, a story of creation, connection, and infinite potential. It calls us to dream big, to act with purpose, and to embrace the unknown with courage and curiosity. The universe is still becoming, and so are we. Together, we have the power to write the next chapter of its story, a chapter filled with discovery, unity, and hope. Let us honor the legacy of the stars by reaching for the infinite, by protecting the fragile beauty of life, and by embracing the boundless possibilities of existence. The light of the Big Bang still shines, not just in the distant echoes of the cosmos but within each of us. It is a beacon that guides us forward, reminding us of where we came from and inspiring us to imagine where we might go. The universe calls us to dream, to explore, and to create, and as we answer that call, we carry its light into the future, a future as infinite and extraordinary as the cosmos itself. The light of the Big Bang, carried through time and space, reaches us not just as a reminder of beginnings but as a call to action. It invites us to recognize the profound privilege of being conscious participants in the universe's unfolding story. We are not merely passive witnesses to the cosmos, we are its explorers, its storytellers, and its stewards. The responsibility is immense, but so too is the opportunity. Every moment of discovery, whether through a telescope gazing into distant galaxies or a microscope uncovering the intricacies of life, brings us closer to understanding the interconnectedness of existence. The laws that govern the universe's first moments are the same principles that shape our everyday lives. Gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces are not abstract concepts, they are the threads that bind the cosmos together, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy cluster. And within those threads lies a profound truth: the universe is not a series of isolated events but a continuous, interwoven process of creation and transformation. From the chaos of the Big Bang emerged order, from simplicity arose complexity. The same pattern unfolds in our own lives. Challenges, uncertainties, and disruptions are not endpoints but opportunities for growth and renewal. As we journey further into the cosmos, we are confronted by questions that expand the boundaries of our imagination. What existed before the Big Bang? Is our universe one of countless others in a vast multiverse? Are there other forms of life, other intelligences, reaching out across the cosmic expanse? These questions are not just scientific, they are deeply human, reflecting our innate desire to understand, to connect, and to belong. The search for answers drives us forward, but the Big Bang teaches us that the act of questioning is itself a source of meaning. Exploration is not just about reaching a destination, it is about the journey, the curiosity, and the willingness to embrace the unknown. Each step we take, each mystery we unravel, adds to the richness of the cosmic story. And yet, as we look outward, we must also look inward. The Earth, our home, is a rare and fragile world, a jewel shaped by billions of years of cosmic evolution. The same forces that created the stars also created the conditions for life to flourish here. Protecting this planet and nurturing its ecosystems is not just a practical necessity, it is a way of honoring the universe's creative legacy. The story of the Big Bang also calls us to reflect on our connections to one another. The divisions we create, nations, cultures, beliefs, pale in comparison to the unity we share as beings of stardust, born of the same cosmic forces. The light of the Big Bang shines in all of us, reminding us that our differences are less significant than the shared origins and aspirations that bind us together. As we move into the future, the universe offers us infinite possibilities. We may unlock the secrets of dark matter and dark energy, chart the edges of spacetime, and discover new worlds teeming with life. But perhaps our greatest achievement will not be in the galaxies we reach, but in the connections we forge, between each other, between humanity and the Earth, and between our dreams and the cosmos. The light of the Big Bang is more than an echo of the past, it is a beacon for the future. It guides us to think boldly, to act responsibly, and to dream without limits. It reminds us that the universe's story is still unfolding, and that we have the privilege of shaping its next chapters. Let us carry that light forward, with wonder, with purpose, and with the knowledge that we are part of something extraordinary. The universe is still expanding, still creating, still becoming. And so are we. Together, let us embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead, writing a story that honors the beauty, the unity, and the boundless creativity of the cosmos. The stars await, the journey continues, and the future is as limitless as the universe itself. Let us go forth, guided by the light of the Big Bang, and add our voices to the symphony of existence, a symphony that began with a single note of creation and will resonate for all eternity. The symphony of existence, born in the fiery brilliance of the Big Bang, resonates through every atom, every star, and every thought. It is a melody that has evolved over billions of years, a testament to the universe's boundless creativity and resilience. And now, as conscious beings, we have the rare privilege of contributing to its composition. Each of us carries within us the echoes of that first cosmic moment. The particles that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars, scattered across the cosmos, and brought together by the same forces that govern the movement of galaxies. This connection to the universe is not abstract, it is deeply personal, a reminder that we are both of the cosmos and within it. As we reflect on the Big Bang, we see that its story is not just one of beginnings but of transformation. The universe has evolved from simplicity to complexity, from chaos to order, and from lifeless matter to the vibrant diversity of life we see today. This process of creation and renewal mirrors the cycles we experience in our own lives, teaching us that change is not something to fear but something to embrace. The light of the Big Bang continues to guide us, illuminating paths forward that were once shrouded in mystery. With each technological breakthrough, we gain a clearer view of the cosmos, its origins, its structure, and its destiny. But with each discovery comes new questions, new frontiers to explore. What is the ultimate fate of the universe? Could we one day transcend the limits of our own solar system, becoming travelers among the stars? And how might our understanding of the cosmos reshape our understanding of ourselves? These questions are not just scientific, they are existential. They challenge us to think about what it means to be human, to be alive, and to be part of a universe that is still unfolding. They remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is not just about answers, it is about connection, wonder, and the enduring human spirit. The story of the Big Bang also invites us to consider the power of beginnings. From a single moment of creation, an entire cosmos has emerged, a cosmos filled with galaxies, stars, and the intricate patterns of life. This teaches us that even the smallest actions can have far-reaching consequences, that the seeds we plant today can grow into something extraordinary. As we look to the future, the universe beckons us to dream without limits. Could we one day harness the energy of stars, ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come? Might we uncover the mysteries of consciousness, understanding not just how we exist, but why? Or could we create a world that reflects the harmony and unity of the cosmos, a world where science, art, and compassion come together to celebrate the miracle of existence? Whatever path we choose, the light of the Big Bang will be our guide. It reminds us that we are part of a story billions of years in the making, a story of creation, connection, and infinite potential. It calls us to act with courage, to dream with boldness, and to live with a sense of wonder that honors the legacy of the stars. The universe is still becoming, and so are we. Together, we have the opportunity to write the next chapter of its story, a chapter that celebrates the beauty of life, the power of unity, and the boundless possibilities of existence. Let us carry the light of the Big Bang forward, shaping a future that reflects the creativity, resilience, and interconnectedness of the cosmos. The stars are our heritage, the journey is our purpose, and the future is as infinite as the universe itself. Let us step boldly into that future, guided by the light of creation and inspired by the symphony of existence. The cosmos is calling, and its song is one of hope, discovery, and the limitless potential of life. Together, let us answer that call, becoming both explorers and creators in a universe that is forever unfolding. The call of the cosmos is a whisper and a roar, a song carried across the expanse of space and time, inviting us to become more than we are. It reminds us that the story of the universe did not end with the Big Bang, it began there. Every galaxy, every star, every planet, and every breath we take is part of that continuing story, a testament to the transformative power of existence itself. As we answer this call, we step into a role that is both humbling and profound. We are the universe made conscious, capable of looking back at its origins and imagining its future. This awareness brings with it an extraordinary responsibility, to honor the legacy of the cosmos by striving to understand it, to care for the fragile world we inhabit, and to create a future that reflects the boundless creativity of the stars. The Big Bang teaches us that beginnings hold infinite potential. From the smallest spark of energy emerged the vast and intricate universe we see today. This truth encourages us to see our own lives as part of that cosmic unfolding. Every thought, every action, and every dream carries the potential to shape the world around us. Like the galaxies born from the chaos of the early universe, we too have the power to create beauty, connection, and meaning. As we explore the universe, we are reminded of its dual nature, vast beyond measure, yet deeply intimate. The same forces that govern the dance of galaxies also govern the rhythm of our hearts. The same stardust that forms distant planets forms the cells in our bodies. This unity, this interconnectedness, is one of the most profound gifts of the cosmos. It teaches us that we are not separate from the universe, we are an expression of it, woven into its fabric. The light of the Big Bang, now faint and ancient, continues to guide us as we reach toward the future. With every new discovery, we gain not only knowledge but perspective, a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos and our connection to all that exists. This perspective challenges us to think beyond ourselves, to consider the long arc of time, and to act as stewards of a story that began billions of years ago. Looking ahead, the possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. What marvels might we uncover as we peer deeper into the cosmos? Could we one day unlock the secrets of the multiverse, exploring realms beyond our own? Might we find life elsewhere, forming bonds with other beings who share our curiosity and wonder? Or could we harness the creative energy of the universe to build a world that reflects its unity and harmony? The answers to these questions are yet to be written, but the Big Bang offers us a powerful lesson, that creation is an ongoing process. The universe is still expanding, still evolving, still becoming. And so are we. Every challenge we face, every boundary we push, and every dream we pursue adds to the cosmic symphony, a symphony that began with a single, luminous note and continues to resonate across time and space. As we move forward, let us carry the light of the Big Bang within us. Let it inspire us to act with purpose, to dream without limits, and to embrace the unknown with courage and curiosity. Let it remind us that we are part of something vast and extraordinary, a universe that is alive with potential, a cosmos that invites us to explore, to create, and to connect. The journey is far from over. The stars await, the universe calls, and the future stretches out before us like an infinite horizon. Together, as explorers, storytellers, and stewards, we have the power to shape that future, a future that honors the legacy of the Big Bang and celebrates the limitless possibilities of existence. Let us go forth, guided by the light of creation, and write a story worthy of the stars. Let it be a story of wonder, unity, and hope, a story that reflects the beauty and boundless potential of the cosmos. The symphony of existence is still playing, and we are its living notes, forever reaching, forever becoming, forever part of a universe that is infinite, eternal, and extraordinary. The symphony of existence continues to play, its melody carried across the vast canvas of the cosmos. Each of us is a part of this grand composition, a unique note in the universal harmony that began with the Big Bang. As the universe expands and evolves, so too does our role within it, a role that challenges us to think beyond ourselves, to embrace the infinite, and to add our voices to the ever-unfolding story. The universe, in its vastness, teaches us that small beginnings can give rise to extraordinary outcomes. From the initial burst of energy at the Big Bang came galaxies, stars, and worlds filled with possibility. This same principle applies to our lives and to the future we are creating. Every idea, every act of kindness, and every step toward understanding ripples outward, shaping the fabric of reality in ways we may never fully see. This perspective reminds us of our profound interconnectedness. The atoms in our bodies were forged in ancient stars, and the energy that sustains us is a continuation of the forces that set the universe in motion. We are not separate from the cosmos, we are its expression. Our curiosity, our creativity, and our capacity to dream are all reflections of the universe's boundless potential. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of the journey that brought us here. The Big Bang set the universe in motion, but it was the interplay of energy, matter, and time that created the intricate structures we see today. From the swirling dance of galaxies to the delicate balance of life on Earth, the cosmos is a masterpiece of complexity and resilience. Its story inspires us to embrace change, to adapt, and to find beauty in transformation. The future beckons with questions that ignite our imagination. What lies beyond the limits of our perception? Could there be other forms of life, other beings who have looked to their skies and wondered about their origins? What is the ultimate fate of the universe, endless expansion, a great contraction, or something we cannot yet conceive? These mysteries are invitations to explore, to push the boundaries of what we know, and to envision what might be possible. But even as we reach for the stars, the lessons of the Big Bang call us to care for the world beneath our feet. The Earth, a rare and precious oasis in the vastness of space, is our home and the foundation of all we do. Protecting its ecosystems, nurturing its life, and ensuring its future is not just a responsibility, it is a way of honoring the forces that brought us into being. The light of the Big Bang continues to shine, a beacon of hope and inspiration. It reminds us that the universe is not a static place but a dynamic, ever-changing expanse filled with potential. This dynamism challenges us to think creatively, to act boldly, and to dream expansively. It encourages us to see ourselves not as isolated beings but as part of a larger whole, a cosmic story that began long before us and will continue long after. As we move forward, let us embrace the spirit of the Big Bang. Let us approach the unknown with curiosity, the present with gratitude, and the future with vision. Let us work together to create a world that reflects the unity and creativity of the cosmos, a world where science and imagination, compassion and discovery, come together to illuminate the path ahead. The stars await, the journey continues, and the story is ours to write. Let us carry the light of the Big Bang forward, shaping a future filled with wonder, connection, and infinite possibility. The universe is still becoming, and so are we, a testament to the enduring power of creation and the boundless potential of existence. Together, let us honor the legacy of the cosmos by reaching for the infinite, cherishing the fragile beauty of life, and embracing the extraordinary journey that lies ahead. The symphony of existence plays on, and we are its living notes, forever part of a universe that is vast, mysterious, and profoundly beautiful. The symphony of existence continues, its melody resonating through the stars and within us. Each moment is an opportunity to contribute to this grand cosmic narrative, to add our voices to the harmony that began with the Big Bang and has echoed ever since. The universe, in its infinite expanse, invites us to embrace the profound truth that we are not merely observers but participants in its unfolding story. Every discovery we make, every question we ask, and every act of creation we undertake carries forward the legacy of the cosmos. The Big Bang, that first burst of light and energy, was the origin of everything we know, but it was not an ending, it was a beginning. From that singular moment, the universe has grown, expanded, and evolved, and so have we. We are stardust made conscious, capable of reflecting on our origins and dreaming about our future. As we dream, we are called to action. The universe, while vast and resilient, is also delicate in its complexity. The Earth, our home, is a rare sanctuary of life, a world shaped by billions of years of cosmic processes. Its oceans, forests, and skies are the result of intricate balances, and our role as its stewards has never been more important. By caring for this planet, we honor the forces that brought it, and us, into being. The story of the Big Bang also reminds us of the transformative power of change. Just as the universe has evolved from chaos to order, from simplicity to complexity, so too can we adapt and grow. The challenges we face, whether personal, societal, or planetary, are not insurmountable, they are opportunities for innovation, collaboration, and resilience. The universe teaches us that even in moments of upheaval, there is the potential for creation and renewal. Looking outward, the cosmos inspires us to imagine a future beyond the boundaries of our current understanding. What might humanity achieve as we venture deeper into space, seeking to uncover the secrets of distant galaxies or to establish a presence on other worlds? What new forms of life, energy, or consciousness might we discover? These possibilities spark our imaginations, reminding us that exploration is not just a journey through space, it is a journey of the human spirit. Yet, even as we look to the stars, the lessons of the Big Bang call us to look inward. The interconnectedness of the cosmos reflects our own interconnectedness as a species. The same forces that bind galaxies together also bind us to one another. In this unity, we find strength, purpose, and hope. Our shared origins remind us that we are more alike than different and that our collective potential is limitless when we work together. The light of the Big Bang continues to illuminate our path, a constant reminder of the power of beginnings. It shows us that even from the smallest spark, entire universes can arise. This truth challenges us to think creatively, to act boldly, and to live with intention. It encourages us to see ourselves as creators, capable of shaping a future that reflects the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. As we step into the future, let us carry the lessons of the Big Bang in our hearts. Let us approach each moment with wonder, each challenge with courage, and each opportunity with vision. The universe is still expanding, and so too is our capacity to learn, to connect, and to create. Together, we can write a story that honors the legacy of the stars and celebrates the infinite potential of life. The symphony of existence plays on, and we are its living notes. The journey is far from over, and the possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself. Let us move forward with open hearts, curious minds, and the knowledge that we are part of something extraordinary, a universe that is forever becoming, and forever calling us to become more than we can imagine. The symphony of existence invites us to press forward, its melody echoing not only in the vastness of space but in the depths of our own minds and hearts. The Big Bang was the first note, a crescendo of creation that set the universe in motion. And now, billions of years later, we are both the audience and the musicians, shaping the next movements of this cosmic masterpiece. As we listen to the song of the cosmos, we find its themes reflected everywhere. The universe is a story of transformation, of energy becoming matter, of particles forming stars, of stars giving birth to life. This story is not merely about the distant past, it is ongoing, unfolding in real time. Every sunrise, every cell dividing, every thought sparking in a human mind is a continuation of the creativity that began with the Big Bang. In the face of such vastness, it is natural to feel small. The universe stretches beyond our comprehension, its scales of time and distance dwarfing the scope of human life. But the story of the Big Bang teaches us that smallness does not mean insignificance. The tiniest particles played their part in creating galaxies, and so too do our individual actions ripple outward, shaping the future in ways we may never fully see. Our unique gift as conscious beings is the ability to reflect on our place within this cosmic story. We are the universe made aware, capable of asking profound questions: who are we? Why are we here? What is our purpose in a cosmos so immense? These questions are as ancient as humanity itself, and the search for answers has driven our greatest discoveries, our most beautiful art, and our deepest connections. The cosmos also teaches us the value of balance and unity. Just as galaxies are held together by the gravitational pull of their stars, so too are we connected, by shared origins, common aspirations, and the delicate threads of life on Earth. This interconnectedness reminds us that the challenges we face, from environmental crises to societal divisions, are not insurmountable. They are opportunities to work together, to build a future that reflects the harmony we see in the universe. Looking ahead, the possibilities before us are as infinite as the stars themselves. What new horizons will we explore as we develop technologies that allow us to see deeper into space and time? Could we one day traverse the vast distances between galaxies, carrying the light of life to new worlds? Might we unlock the mysteries of existence, discovering not just where we came from but what lies beyond? These dreams are not just the stuff of science fiction, they are the natural extension of humanity's unquenchable curiosity and creativity. The same drive that led us to walk on the moon, to map the human genome, and to decode the light of distant stars will propel us into the future, forging paths that no one has yet imagined. Yet, as we dream of the stars, we must also care for the ground beneath our feet. The Earth is our cradle, a rare and precious world shaped by billions of years of cosmic evolution. Protecting its ecosystems, cherishing its beauty, and ensuring its sustainability is not just a moral imperative, it is a way of honoring the forces that made life possible. The light of the Big Bang still shines within us, a reminder of the universe's boundless potential and our place within it. It calls us to dream boldly, to act responsibly, and to live with a sense of wonder that matches the beauty of the cosmos. Each of us is a part of this story, and together, we have the power to write its next chapter. The stars await, the journey continues, and the universe beckons us forward. Let us step into the future with courage and imagination, guided by the light of creation and inspired by the symphony of existence. For in the vastness of the cosmos, we are not just passengers, we are creators, explorers, and stewards, carrying the legacy of the Big Bang into a future as infinite as the universe itself. The story of the Big Bang is the story of all existence, a tale of transformation, connection, and infinite possibility. From a single, brilliant moment of creation came the cosmos, filled with stars, galaxies, worlds, and life itself. And within this vast, ever-expanding universe, we find our place as conscious beings, capable of reflecting on its origins and shaping its future. The light of the Big Bang continues to shine, reminding us that even the smallest beginnings can give rise to extraordinary outcomes. It teaches us that we are not separate from the universe but deeply woven into its fabric. The atoms that form our bodies, the thoughts that guide our actions, and the dreams that propel us forward are all part of this cosmic legacy. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of our shared journey, a journey of curiosity, discovery, and creation. The universe calls us to explore its mysteries, to cherish the fragile beauty of life, and to act as stewards of a story that began billions of years ago. Each of us carries within us the light of the cosmos, a spark of its boundless creativity and potential. The symphony of existence plays on, and we are its living notes. The future lies before us, filled with infinite possibilities, and the choices we make will shape the next chapter of the universe's unfolding story. Let us move forward with wonder, courage, and a commitment to honor the legacy of the Big Bang, a legacy of beginnings, transformations, and endless horizons. Together, we are the universe, reaching ever outward toward understanding, connection, and the boundless potential of what we can become. The stars await, the journey continues, and the light of creation guides us forward. Let us carry that light, and let us make the future as extraordinary as the cosmos that inspires it.